Hello, and thank you for tuning in to am.militaria's second unboxing video. I'm so excited for you to see what we have here today. Again, this is just an informal video where I am showcasing some recent items I picked up. This package is from an auction on eBay that I won. I wanted some more things, but some other people outbid me, so I guess we don't always get what we want. So let's see what we got here. If you didn't check out my first unboxing video, you absolutely should. We talked about these really cool countermine identification cards. Good video, award winning. You should absolutely check it out. If you did check it out, then the other package that was shown in the video about armored vehicle recognition, I got cards like that. I think we might be doing that in our next video, so keep an eye out for that if you could. Like I said, I found these on eBay. I paid like $40 total. 20 of it was in shipping, so that kind of sucks. But I have been meaning to pick one of these items up, and I'm so glad I finally got the opportunity to do that. So let's open it up and let's get started. All right, so let's start opening this package here. So I just realized that this looks like it was open. I promise you it was not. We don't pre-open on our unboxing videos. It was just ripped because it's like crappy paper tape. So we got our handy dandy knife here. Let's open this up. I had to blank out the information. Got to be safe on the internet. Always nervous I'm going to accidentally cut what's on the inside. So we're done with our knife here. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so we're opening our box here. Looks like we got some good stuff here. So our little label here, I guess the company put on Cold War East German FDJ, Free German Youth Movement Militia shirts. So let's take a look. There are two shirts here, so let me take one and put it aside. And let's take a look at this. So it's a Freie Deutsche Junge, Free German Youth shirt. Got the collar tag, 37N. And some writing of perhaps where it was made. 37N is obviously the size, which according to German.militaria.com, which is an excellent source for your East German collector needs and Cold War collector needs. They also do some other stuff, but they have some great information and some great information guides. So I'll link to that website in the description. According to German.militaria's website, though, a 37N is roughly a USA size 14 and three quarters. So there you go. So I've been looking for one of these shirts for a while. This is kind of what I was alluding to in the intro, but I kind of wanted to put one of these impressions together because I don't have any of these shirts yet. Now I have two, but they're pretty cool. The buttons, as you can see, have the FDJ logo on them. Made of some really thin material. Really thin material. I'm going to open it up, see if there's anything on the inside. No, but it's really thin material. And then obviously we have the FDJ patch on the sleeve, which is pretty cool, of course. So that is that. I will place this aside now. Other one, we got the same thing. This one, although looks a little older, it's made of slightly different material. This is a 35N, which, according to German.militaria, is roughly a USA size 14. You can see there's a little wear on the collar there compared to the other one. Shoulder board buttons and a slightly older looking patch. So let me compare these two. Let's put them together. There are the two patches. Obviously, a little different. The what seems to be older one looks smaller, and the material, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's a little different. Two different shades. So that's pretty cool. Some FDJ shirts. And then we have a East German gala uniform from the East German National People's Army. Pretty cool. We have the tag here. So unissued. Size G44. G44. Right there, you can tell. Which, according to German.militaria, is, I think, a US size small. So that's why I see there. But these are officer uniforms. They're made for formal events. I have one of these in my collection already. It's a East German Grenztruppen border guard gala uniform. I have the pants and the shirt and stuff for that. So this will just be another project I have to work on. But like I said, I got it pretty cheap. Here are the officer shoulder boards. You have the white lining, or the white I want to say string, right? Right, some embroidery there. We have the white pipping on the outside. Again, the G44 size. We have the locations for our shoulder boards here. And they have the little hole in the inside you can attach them with. Pretty nice. This is what the buttons look like. Pretty standard East German uniform buttons. And let's open it up on the inside and see what we got. We got some washing information here where you would attach the dagger. And here we go. We have the NVA, the National People's Army, G44 size, some maker's information, and to you. So I think these shirts, or this uniform, was made in 1978, I believe. So the U, I believe, means it was made in 1978. But overall, it's a pretty nice looking jacket. So that's pretty much all I have here. I just got these two shirts and the gala uniform, but I mean, hey, it's pretty cool. I'm glad to have. I don't have a East German um, NVA gala jacket, so that'll be a nice addition to the collection. And got some FDJ shirts that I can start to work on as projects now, so that'll be nice. Again, thank you for tuning in to am.militaria. As always, please subscribe on YouTube and follow if you have Instagram, am.militaria. Like, comment, subscribe, follow. It would all be greatly appreciated. Trying to grow the channel here. And you subscribing or following really encourages me to continue making videos like this and spending more of my money for other people's enjoyment. So thank you again, and have a good rest of your day.